The Lagos State Governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, has urged Nigerians, particularly Lagos residents, to be hopeful and continue to live in peace and harmony throughout the new year. Speaking at the official countdown into the new year, Governor Sanwo-Olu stated his administration's commitment towards making life better and more prosperous for all Lagosians in the new year. The governor assured residents that bigger and better accomplishments will happen across different sectors in line with the state's Theme Plus developmental agenda in the year 2024.
There's always a countdown in all big cities of the world, and so we're doing it concurrently and to bring about the unity, the peace, the tranquility of Lagos under several umbrellas, but to situate it here at the Soul Beach in Oniru, Lagos. We're happy because there's peace and safety in Lagos. That's why we all can come out and thank God Almighty. 2024 will be an happy year for me. 2024 will be the beginning of bigger and better and more better things.
That was Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Wife of the Lagos State Governor Ibijoke Sanwo-Olu has visited 4 selected public hospitals in the state to welcome the first babies of the year 2024. Mrs. Sanwo-Olu visited Badagry General Hospital, Maternal and Child Center, Amuodofi, at Jeremy General Hospital, as well as Apapa General Hospital, to welcome the first babies at the selected locations. Speaking at the events, wife of the governor, in company of dignitaries, visited wards and presented gifts to the first babies of the year and other patients. She restated the government's commitment to creating an enabling environment, promoting quality healthcare services to residents in line with the vision of the state government.
Over the years, the Lagos State government, under the current administration of Mr. Governor, Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, the governor of Lagos State, through the Ministry of Health, has continued to deliver on its mandate to all residents in the state. The government has strengthened its maternal and child health policies and programs, upgraded and constructed new MCC facilities to provide accessible and affordable mother and child healthcare services, hence reducing the high rate of morbidity and mortality among women and under 5 children in the state.
Commissioner for Health Akan Usen, who was represented by the Permanent Secretary Olusegun Ogboye, said the program was in line with the annual practice of the state to celebrate the first babies, in commitment of the state government to maternal and child health care, as well as providing quality services to Lagosians. Abayami urged everyone to enroll under the Lagos State Health Insurance Scheme, popularly known as Iliraiko, while congratulating the families of the newborn babies. Medical directors at the general hospitals, who expressed gratitude to the state government for infrastructural upgrade, prioritizing the health sector, among other initiatives, called for more support to further provide qualitative healthcare services to the people. Speaking with journalists, mothers of the first babies of year 2024 said they were grateful to God for safe deliveries and appreciated the state government's support. Our correspondent at Dirayo Iduolaya reports that the events had in attendance wife of the Deputy Governor, Oluremi Hamzat, other top government functionaries, stakeholders in the health sector, and residents. Meanwhile, wife of the President, Oluremi Tinubu, has urged expectant mothers to prioritize their health and seek to know their HIV/AIDS status. Mrs. Tinubu said this will enable them prevent mother-to-child transmission of the disease and help them stay healthy. Speaking at the National Hospital Abuja, where she welcomed the first baby of the year 2024, Mrs. Tinubu appealed to well-meaning Nigerians to join forces with the government to adopt hospitals and wards to improve the healthcare delivery in the country, as the government alone cannot do it. She noted that her foundation, Renewed Hope Initiative RHI, is working in collaboration with UNICEF to see that all births in Nigeria are registered in order to ensure the rights and protection of all children. General Manager of Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM, Tayo Akonle, has urged the staff of the station to embrace the growth mindset as against the fixed mindset, noting that adapting new ideas can propel the station to greater heights. Akonle gave the admonition during the last staff forum of the year held at the foyer of the station, expressing his appreciation to the workforce for their commitment and dedication. He also commended them for the improvement recorded across departments in the discharge of their statutory responsibilities towards the attainment of the set goals and objectives for the year. The General Manager stressed that the inauguration of the live camera update LCU project was a milestone achievement for the station, as the feat was a giant stride in traffic reportage in the country. Operatives of the Lagos State Traffic Management Authority, LASMA, have apprehended a driver of a fully loaded containerized truck after crushing a motorboy to death by MTN in Wat Sunrise along Oshodi-Apapa Expressway. A preliminary investigation revealed that the driver of the fully loaded containerized truck unknowingly crushed a motorboy who was sleeping under his truck while the driver was trying to move along with other loaded trucks going inwards Tinkan Port Gate, Apapa. General Manager of LASMA, Olalekan Bakariuki, appealed to drivers to always ensure they always check round their trucks to ascertain nothing is found under before embarking on any movement. While sympathizing with the family of the deceased, Bakariuki confirmed that the truck driver was later handed over to policemen from the Trinity Police Division area of Apapa for further investigations. Just before we go, stay alive, make use of pedestrian bridges where available. You can follow us on like all our various social media platforms on X, formerly Twitter, Lagos Traffic 961, Instagram Lagos Traffic Radio 961, Facebook Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM. On YouTube, subscribe and watch us live on our channel, Traffic Radio 961. Did you know that the Sanwo-Olu administration deployed traffic lights and CCTV cameras in strategic places in the state? You can get more details on the Lagos State government website. For contacts with the newsroom, please send a message to newsroom@trafficradio961.ng. And that ends the news broadcast compiled by Adewale Oluwaporoku. I am Akan Usen. Thanks for listening and please stay safe. Happy New Year.